Do you take lots of pictures with your phone? If so, this video is for you. Because every day massive numbers of images are purchased online. Both individual and company creators from all over the world publish content in various formats, and everything uses images. They are posting daily, some multiple times per day, and using apps to pre-schedule hundreds of content posts. Thousands of online applications with new ones launching daily serve these content creators. They need millions of new images so their users always have fresh and relevant stock to create from. Apps create games, websites, memes, GIFs, videos. The list goes on and on. You can profit by uploading and selling your pictures online. Do many of your pictures have a special category focus? Like fashion, food, nature, animals, etc. That's a great angle to profit by selling your pictures. Let us help you start earning a passive income. Once your pictures are uploaded, they can be purchased multiple times. You just sit back and watch the income come streaming in 24/7. We serve as the facilitator between you and numerous image selling platforms. Our partnerships and technology make it easy for you. Click through to learn more about how you can start earning passive income today.